how to eat healthy when you're traveling. A lot of people ask me, how can I still eat healthy when I'm traveling? I have no kitchen, I have to eat out. Well, there's a couple things that I personally do that I think will be beneficial. So the first one is wherever you go, whether it's a hotel or an Airbnb, you can always order groceries to your room if you're not able to actively drive and go get them. So oftentimes I'll order from someplace like a Whole Foods nearby or even a regular grocery store, because there's all sorts of apps now that you can do that. And you can order things like maybe an organic rotisserie chicken, maybe some lettuce, a healthy dressing, and you can keep that in the fridge of your room. Super easy to make quick meals that way while remaining healthy. Another thing I do is I'll bring my Insta Pot. So an Insta Pot can cook things, slow cook, it can pressure cook, it can steam, it can saute. So this is a great option if you're going to a hotel that's close by and you're driving. Sometimes I'll bring an electric saute pan that you can put in your luggage. And then you have a little way to heat up your food or make some eggs or maybe a stir fry. So that's a great thing to do. And lastly, if you just have a tiny amount of space or you're traveling by car, you can bring what I call a hot logic. A hot logic is essentially a mini lunchbox that fits the size of about a Pyrex, so a glass Pyrex, and it can plug into the wall or it can plug into your car. So if you have that, you can actually put raw food in there, like raw veggies or raw chicken, and plug it in, and it'll cook it in about 5 hours. If the food is already cooked, you can just heat it up for about a half hour and you don't need a microwave or a stove or anything like that. So check out Hot Logics. They're about 40 bucks on Amazon. Great purchase, I highly recommend, and an awesome way to stay healthy while you're traveling.